Hello my lovelies, I've come back with an unboxing. Came today. I think it's Staroar, my first ever one, but don't hold me to that. So there's loads of sellotape everywhere on it. That's it. That's it. Oh, it's in a box as well. That's good. Yeah, look. This. Oh. It must get shipped from China because they said they get it from China, but then it's come from Birmingham. So I don't know. I don't care. I just wanted a Staroar one. So that's the box, nice, just plain, with a nice little thank you on it. So should we get in it? She says. Oh wow. Now this isn't going to be everybody's cup of tea, I know, but that's what I've got. Can you see it? The Skull and Rose, 39 times 52 centimetre. Isn't it gorgeous? It says here but not seen, goodbye. And you've got the sun and the moon. It's just lovely. I just love everything about it. Ooh, look, one of those. You know what? And this was so reasonably priced. This was $19.99, right? And $3.20 for shipping, which works out, because I've got it up on dollars because it comes up on dollars, I think it worked out to £18 something. That was with my shipping, which I thought was a really good price. I was expecting their shipping to be astronomical, and I was really shocked at how reasonable their shipping was. Ooh, it will come out. So, oh my God, look at that. Hang on. Well, that's just rest in a minute. Look, and they send you some of these, so if you want to swap that cover to these, you can. I love these covers. I have trouble with these, but Millie likes these ones, so they will come in handy. This is the Staroar little bag. Look at the posh bag. It's got a little, watch this, ready? Whoop. And it closes, and it opens, and it closes, opens and closes. I know, simple things. Please, simple minds. I can't help it. Right, let's tip everything out. Oh, it will come out. Oh, look, baggy. Oh my God, it's one of those wax ones. I've not had one of those like that before, so that's going to be interesting. So what? 4-placer, yay! Oh, and a boaty. Is it level? Yes, look at that. The boaty I've got sort of warped a bit, so I needed a new one. So that one is lovely. So I've got a 4-placer. What's that one? I think that's probably a 10, is it? Somebody will say, no, it's not. Or is it a 12? Could be a 12, actually. Might be bigger. And then, oh, and another one. And has that one got one on it? 7-placer lock. So you've got 3. Never had that before. I've got the squishy, sparkly pen. And I've never had the plastic tip. So that'd be interesting. Does it feel the same way? Let's have a look. Got your wax. Let me have a look. Yeah. See that? Straight in, easy peasy. I'm going to definitely be having a go with that. And, oh, tweezers, look. These are the ones that are not sharp, so they shouldn't scratch and break your drills, because sometimes when you go in to pick your drill up like that, it can scratch them and take a chunk off them. So they're going to be lovely. Might have a go at using them for my eyebrows as well. You never know. Might be multitasking with them. And as you can see, I won't get them out, there is absolutely loads of baggies, and they're the decent ones. Look, they've got the decent easy ones. You can hear the click of them, and they've got the white strips where you can write on them as well. So if you want to write your DMC number, the symbol number, whatever. So I'm dead chuffed with that. Should we have a look at the canvas? Shall we? Oh, let's get the right way round. Can you see it? You can just about get it in frame. Hang on, can I zoom out any more? Not zooming in. There you go. Can you see that? Here but seen. Here but not seen. And goodbye. So it looks a little bit blurry there, but I don't expect anything more until you put the letters on. But got to admit, the symbols, oh, I've never seen that before either. This is your all your letters and your drill number or DMC number, whichever you want to call it. So it goes in order. Oh, can you see? So no letters the same, looks absolutely brilliant. And then down here on the bottom, look, a checklist of how many packets of each DMC number and the quantity that you should have. I've never seen that on a chart before. So it's saying your fabric size is the 39 by 51, although it says 39 by 52, but that's the fabric size, but the drill area is a 35 by 46. So Staroar go by canvas fabric size rather than the drill area, which is fine by me. It's still a beautiful size, beautiful colours. I'll have a look at the colours now in a minute. I'll have a look how sticky it is. Look at that. My ugly head getting in the way then. That is really sticky. And that isn't bubbles there, it's just the way the plastic's gone down. Yeah, that's better. Isn't she beautiful? Oh, did I show you the symbol quality? There, look at that. Look how clear it is. Hang on. Can you see it? I think you can. Yeah, there you go. Look how clear that is. Crystal clear. Hang on. Sorry, that was my son just popping home. So yeah, lovely and clear, nice and sticky. So I forgot to show you this, didn't I? Which I've never had one of these before. So you could cut that out and put, if you want, for keeping pictures and charts and things. But on here, where's my glasses? Took my glasses off then, I can't see a blinking thing without them. Look at this. This has got all your symbols, drill number, diamonds you have. Oh, that's the diamonds you need. That's the diamonds that you have. So you've got 3,000 odd more than you need. And in here it's how to get started. So if you've never ever done one before, this takes you through every single stage. Oh, look at this, tips. Wash hands before working. When you are not working on your project, the protective film saves the adhesive surface from becoming dry or gathering dust. After finishing the work, slightly press down diamonds with heavy book to keep them firmly sticked. So it shows you all the different types that they have, because they have round and AB diamonds, square diamonds and crystal rhinestones. They've got, if you want to pause, they have their Facebook there and the Instagram there, and that is their website there. As I say, I can't fault them. I went on and ordered it. When did I order it? Does it say on there? I got the email. On the 26th of November, and it's now the 5th, so what's that? 9 days? So I don't think that's bad at all. So if you want, you could always cut that up if you want to do it, put them onto your, you know, your little pots. So should we have a look at the drills? Let me just turn over. Oh, the table's covered in fluff and things. I've been baking this morning as well, so there we go. Right, sorry about the crinkle. How do we get into it? Wee, look at these colours. Oh my god. Oh look, and on there they've got the canvas number. I presume that's the canvas number. Have we got a canvas number on there? I don't know if it, oh yes we have, it's down there. Can you see it there with a little picture there? And that's also on your bags, which is the same there, which matches your canvas. And then 823 is the DM number, A17, and it's actually got the letters on it, which I've never had before. So A17, K, 823, and you're supposed to have 2000, you need 2073, but you got 2456. What's that one? That's G, 150, G, 150, A01, A01, and you should have, well, you need 132, but they said there's 172. So we need, how many colours is there? Hang on then. Look, I'm going to be impressed with me counting again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 to 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 to 1 to 2 to 3. So there's 23 there, as they say. And yes, I forgot to say, they are rounds. Oh, hitchhiker. But they look absolutely stunning. Can you see the shine through the bag? Yeah, you can. There's that blues and the pinks. These are going to be, this is going to look amazing. They look really good quality, and I can't get over the sparkle of them. I think this could go top of the list. This might even go in front of Pup Pups. Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous? The colours are amazing. Oh, I don't really like that one. That's like an olive green. I don't like olives. So yeah, what do you think, guys? So I will be putting them back in there. So you've got the bags to bag them up, and if you were lazy, you could always cut that out and stick it on your bag if you didn't want to write on them. So yeah, so I turn it back over. There you go. Isn't it beautiful? So yeah, this is from Staroar. I ordered it, I think Staroar does Amazon as well. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. They've got some on Amazon, but I didn't. I went straight into their website, and this is what I ordered straight from the website. I found it easier to negotiate round and see, and they had more variety. So I hope you like it. Take care. Look after yourselves. If you haven't subbed and you'd like to, press the button, or the notification will let you know when I go live or upload a video. Take care. And all my details are down below. Bye for now.